Hummingbirds can fly any direction, even fly backwards. They have the fastest metabolism of any animal species, with a heart rate that can reach up to 1,260 beats per minute. They can fly at speeds of up to 53 miles per hour. Some species even migrate more than 3,000 miles per year. They have vibrant and iridescent feathers, which can change color depending on the angle of the light. Being the smallest birds in the world, some species can weigh less than a penny. They have a unique way of feeding. They use their long thin beaks to drink nectar from flowers. Nectar is the primary source of food for hummingbirds, but they also eat insects for protein. They have a special joint that allows them to rotate their wings in a full circle. They can also hover in midair by rapidly flapping their wings up to 80 times per second.